Hey guys, it's time for another Poshmark Q&A. I think I'm just gonna leave it at that. We're just gonna call it a Q&A. Somebody made a good point about how Q&A is like a search for, you know, Q&A. And if I change it to something else, you know, we're all about the YouTube algorithm, first of all, because I've been on YouTube for frickin' ever, over 10 years, and I've never once cared about the algorithm, but now I do. So we're gonna just try to please the algorithm and keep a term like Q&A in my title because it's searchable. Okay, on to the questions. First question, this is a long one. Question for your next Q&A. Have you ever had a buyer accept your order and rate you 5 stars and then over a week later they changed their rating? I sold a pair of Sam Edelman sandals to a girl. She accepted them the second day and then rated me 5 stars about 15 minutes after she accepted the order. 8 days later, I get an email from Poshmark saying she updated her rating, and I go in and she changed it to a 1 star, saying they were extremely gross, smelled horribly of mold and mildew, and were dirty and disgusting, and that she needs to throw them out. First off, I'm a germaphobe. I'm a germaphobe with allergies, and I sniff test everything. Those are my Sam Edelmans, so I'm the OG owner. They were in excellent use condition and disclosed the scuffs on heels, and they were an open strappy sandal. I fully cleaned them and sanitized them, and even used my trick of dryer sheets and the tissue paper at the toe strap, then put into plastic shoe bags, and then into a USPS box. I know for certain that they were clean and had no scent. I'm weird and paranoid and always have my husband smell test too because he's a firefighter and dude has a nose like a scent hound. I'm just super confused and surprised Poshmark even allows that. Like, she had them in her possession 8 days and a full weekend went by in there. It makes no sense and was just plain wrong. I don't know if anyone has ever had this happen. I know people can rate up to like 30 days from acceptance and change, as I've had a few times people change my rating to increase because they rated it down for fit, and it seems just wrong. And it just seems wrong they even allow her to do what she did. Okay, so it sounds to me like this chick got the shoes, she wore them, and I don't know, maybe they gave her blisters or something, and she didn't like the shoes, and she made them all smelly and gross, and then she decided to change the rating. Unfortunately, she's not gonna be able to please everyone. If you know deep in your heart, like, you sent these sandals out, they were in excellent use condition, they didn't smell, like, if you know that, then that should be all that matters. Other people can't see that rating. If it's below 5 stars, they can't see the rating. They can't see what the person writes. So that's good. But yeah, I wouldn't sweat it. It just sounds like this person's just a weirdo. Again, maybe they wore them and stunk them up and they're like, ah, shit, you know, and they're pissed off that they have smelly feet. Like, I don't know, but I really wouldn't sweat it. Because, you know, there's really not much you can do. And again, ratings, you know, obviously you want to provide good customer service. You know, you want to have good ratings, but they really don't mean shit. Like I said, you can't please everyone. Go above and beyond for someone and truly 100% deserve a 5-star rating and, you know, a pat on the back. There's just some people that won't think it's good enough. Wouldn't fret about it. I would just kind of move on and probably block the person. Next question. Hey, I have a question for Q&A. In Poshmark's terms of service, used bodysuits are not allowed, but used swimsuits are. WTF. What's your opinion? I know a lot of people post them anyway. I'm torn because I have a giant pile of awesome, like, new condition bodysuits from awesome brands, but I'm scared to post them. Somebody else commented on one of my last videos and said that used underwear wasn't allowed, which I don't know why it didn't click to me. Like, I thought, like, used underwear, like undies, the P word. I don't like the P word. I didn't even think about, like, used bras. And a lot of people post used bras. I've actually sold one, not like, it wasn't a personal bra of mine, but it was a bra that I got from the thrift store. I've sold one of them. I do have a bunch of bras listed in my closet right now, which please go buy my bras. They're all new with tags. They're free people, and I've marked them down like so much. I just want to get rid of them. I don't want to do intimate. They've just been a headache since the day I got them, and now with free people coming on board, please go buy my bras. They are at a very reasonable price. Like, you could send me pretty much any offer and I'll probably accept it. But yeah, so somebody pointed that out recently, and I was like, yeah, that definitely is weird that used bodysuits aren't allowed, but swimsuits are. I would contact Poshmark and just, like, clarify that. I mean, you could always list them. You know, lots of people get away with a lot of shit on Poshmark. You could always list them. Keep your fingers crossed. Okay, next question. Help. I'm hosting my first party this weekend. I'm not clear on how to select host picks. Does sharing an item automatically make it a host pick? How do you pre-select host picks? Thank you for all your help you provide us. Poshmark isn't always so responsive and helpful. So she's talking about the in-app parties. So yes, when you share something during a party, if you're a host, it's automatically a host pick. It goes to the host's showroom. They want you to share between 50 and 100 listings as host picks. I think only 10 of those can be your own. And the way that I do it is like a week before the party or like a few days before the party, I will go through and find my host picks. I go through and I like them, which can kind of be annoying because a lot of times I'll like these things and people don't know that I'm liking it because I'm choosing it as a host pick. They think I'm liking it because I want to purchase it, and then they'll send me offers and then I have to tell them, no, I don't want to buy this. I'm just choosing this as a host pick. What was that? Is that a dog toy? We don't have a dog. So yeah, that's what I do just to make it easier. So I'm not like scrambling come party time trying to find host picks. Next question, does Poshmark allow trading? People keep asking me if I'd be interested in trading. The answer is no. I'm reselling to make money. Thanks, you rock, by the way. Oh, thank you. So trading on Poshmark, it is allowed, but it's at your own discretion. It's not like a regular Poshmark sale. You're not protected. So it's really not worth it. I get asked all the time if I want to trade. I'm like, yeah, no. And they're like, oh, but I have like all these people that I've done trades with and I'm, you know, legit and reliable. I'm like, yeah, but no, like you, like this is a business. I don't want to trade. Like, give me your money. Like, yes, we can trade my item for your money. Yes, that's my idea of trading. It's technically allowed, but it's not like protected on Poshmark. So it's really just not worth doing. Last question. So by definition, even checking comps on Sellhound is against Poshmark terms of service since they scrap Poshmark data to get the comps. So, okay, I have used Sellhound before to check comps. I have never connected my Poshmark account to Sellhound. I'm pretty sure you can connect your Poshmark and other accounts to Sellhound, and that's what they don't want. They don't want people that have Poshmark accounts using any type of third-party service that collects data from their website. Well, they don't want you using any third-party service to begin with. We've already gone over this. Video link down below. That's it for this video. I hope I answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below. Send me a DM on Instagram or tweet me on Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is Keepin' It Rad. You get a $10 credit and I also get a $10 credit. So thank you. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.